Hello guys, the video will be about how the human eye works and why the brain needs Photoshop. So let me start with a Helen Keller quotation where she said that the most pathetic person in the world is someone who has sight but no vision. So the quote ought not to be understood literally, but the science of biology stated it ought be. So let me turn to the central idea of my presentation. Through my research I have learned that it is our brain that perceives, not our eyes. Since most of us are non-biology majors, we do not know how our eyes function. Therefore, I found this topic is to be interesting to the audience. Now I will explain you firstly the composition of light, secondly about the structure of the eye, and finally about the process of perception. So let me turn to my main body, to the first point. It will be about the light. As Encyclopedia Britannica says, that photon is minute energy packet of electromagnetic radiation. So, in our words, we can say it is just light, whereas photon is discrete bundle of light energy. Photon is always in motion and in a vacuum and have a constant speed of light to all observers, where the speed of light is equal approximately 300,000 meters per second. So let me turn to my second main point. It's about the structure of the eye. Structure of eyes is have a cornea, iris, lens, retina, and optic nerve. So light hits the eyes, and the light information is conveyed through various structures of the eye. The first one is cornea. Cornea is located in the front side of the eye and performs most of focusing, have a focusing function. Then iris. Iris, how Martini Fundamentals of Anatomy and Physiology book says that iris widens in a dim light and narrows in a bright light. So third one is the lens. Lens provide adjustable fine tuning of the focus. One of the most important structure of the eye is response retina. Retina, it is the place where image is recorded. It have a functional video camera, and it have a three layers that do something like provide blood and nutrients. Second one is absorb light and convert to an electrical signal, photoreceptors function, and the last one, it transfers the signal to the brain through the nerve cells. Let me turn your attention to the photoreceptors. As Wikipedia says that photoreceptors have two functions, rods and cones. Rods are responsible for night vision, and whereas cones is responsible for color vision. Whereas the main function of the retina is retina is recorded the image in an upside down fashion. So the last point, it will be the processing of the information coming from the eyes takes place in our brains. So optical nerve transmits the information from eyes to brain. So it have a playmaking or mediation function, where information from the optical nerve is conveyed to the visual cortex of the brain, which is located in the backside of our brain, and brain photoshops the upside down image is interpreted, and the process of the vision takes place in a proper way, in the right way, not like in retina one. So in conclusion, in considering the process of visual perception, it is necessary to review the following steps. Like first one is light consists of particles known as photons. Second one is upon the exposure of light, the eyes receive light information and transduce it and transmitted it to the brain from the eyes. And the third one is the visual cortex of the brain interprets the upside down image, and we finally see how we can see. You know now how we see through our eyes and brain when you look around, and just think a bit how you are actually seeing and be amazed by this beautiful biological machine.